Alright guys, welcome to You Cook So Gay. My name is John. I'm flying solo because Darius is upstairs working, and I figured I'd show you how to make and freeze pesto for the winter months. So I went out back and I picked up the last of our our basil, which I've rinsed and washed. It's about 3 cups. I have about a half cup of pine nuts right there and a cup of olive oil right there. And in my little Cuisinart, I'm going to stick all of the basil. Oops. Do batches of 2. And I'm going to stick the lid on. To add the rest of the basil. Now, I've been watching many videos today on YouTube on how to make and store pesto. And I have to say they're all wrong because they do something that you should absolutely not do. And that's add cheese and then freeze it. These 3 ingredients we're using are what you're going to freeze, and then when you pull it out and thaw it out, you're going to add whatever amount of cheese you want. Try a little leak there. Let's see if I can get some of that down. It's hard to do this one-handed, but alright, forgot to move. Get this ground up a little bit better. It's hard doing it one-handed, especially when I'm right-handed. Almost done here. I don't want to miss a pine nut, they're expensive. Oops. Just 2 more leaves here. Oops. I am telling Darius he's not staying focused, and I'm not doing that. And then we're going to add some olive oil. This is a cup of olive oil, not extra virgin. And everybody swears by using extra virgin, but that's best for salads and taste. You absolutely do not want to cook with extra virgin olive oil. The fat content's too high. I see that a lot too. Oh, once you get this all good and blended, I think I'm going to add another half a cup of olive oil to that. No, it looks good actually. So now I'm going to take it, and I'm going to put it in my little containers here. I got 4 little containers, and I'm going to put the lids on, airtight, and freeze them. So again, do not add the cheese until you thaw them out and you're ready to serve it. No cheese. Hope you enjoyed the video.